Yeah, I'm okay. We're going to Fisher, just some local make a FJ or Moton. So the Sulu local government, our liberty honorable Hakeem Akamo, tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe empowerment fún àwọn ará Surulere tó yẹ pé wọ́n fún wọn ní freezer PS àti àwọn organizer fún irinṣẹ́ wọn tí wọ́n máa fi ṣiṣẹ́ tó dẹ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn jàǹkànjàǹkàn lóríṣiríṣi ni ó wà ní ibi ìbà mọ́mọ́ àti sọ̀pọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé yín lọ sí òkè lọ́gà.
Right Honorable is showing to us now with the ongoing registration exercises. We can see, we've witnessed these people transferring their PVCs to Surulere local government. Because they know it is only in Surulere local government amongst the 20 local government and 7 CDAs we have in Lagos State. And it's always having one empowerment program or the other in no distance time. And today is another one by Honorable Hakeem. Olabode, Akamo, our representative at the National Service Commission as a federal commissioner. He is giving back, given the fact that he was being nominated and appointed from Surulere local government through our current chief of staff to the president, Right Honorable Hakeem. So today, we are witnessing another empowerment program from him. And we've been told from the selection of those that are going to be the beneficiaries of all these items. We have diffusers, we have organizing equipment for organizers, and we have POs for people to be empowered to start up business, or those that are in business already to enhance their businesses and productivity. Same goes for the organizers and other beneficiaries.
Local government. I want to appreciate the facilitator of today's program, Honorable Akamo. We have been doing it, we have said we will continue to do it. We at Surulere local government have promised that whenever we are able, we are going to contribute to the welfare of our people. Ìlọsíwájú ìgbéga Surulere àjùmọ̀ṣe gbogbo wa ní àti ti ìlú Èkó.
Mi ní ìyáàfin dada láti wọ́dọ̀ F1 fàsìkò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Honorable Hakeem Akamo pé wọ́n ṣe o ọkọ̀ tán fún mi ó wúlò fún ọjà mi láti jẹ́ kọjá mi lè tẹ̀síwájú láti jẹ́ kí gbogbo tí máa kó sẹ̀ kó lè máa tutù. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn gidigidi lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ọlọ́run á túbọ̀ máa bùkún wọn ibi gíga Ọlọ́run á mú wọn débẹ̀.
Mo fi àsìkò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Honorable Akamo fún nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún wa lénìí. Olúwa á máa wà pẹ̀lú wọn, wọn máa lọ sókè. Gbogbo àwọn fámìlì wọn ló máa rálà wọn ní lọlẹ̀ láéláé inshallah bi qudratillahi ta'ala. Thank you so much. We really appreciate what you do for us. God bless you.
Lọ́wọ́ Honorable Akamo tó fún wa ní àwọn ẹ̀bùn yìí. Àdúrà tá a gbà náà ni wípé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ á máa lọ sókè kò ní wálẹ̀. Gbogbo ìdáwọ́lé rẹ̀ lọ́sàn-án lóru á máa yọrí sí rere. Àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Honorable Akamo fún ìtọ́ṣe fún wa yìí. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run, wọ́n tún lè ṣe ìtọ́jú yìí lọ fún wa lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀mí wa wá gùn. Àwa tán fún náà ní sàárẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn gidi gan-an, adúpẹ́ o, inú wa dùn o lágbára Ọlọ́run. Wọ́n lè ṣe jù báyìí lọ. Ọlọ́run á dá àwọn ọmọ wọn sí o, wọ́n ṣe gan-an. Iṣẹ́ wọn ò ní dìṣẹ́, wọ́n wá máa ròkè o.
Honorable Akamo ribiribi tí wọ́n ṣe fún wa agbára Ọlọ́run ìyàtọ̀ náà kò ní bàjẹ́ o. Wọ́n máa lọ rí, wọ́n máa bọ̀ rí o. Àní wá sílẹ̀ òkè òkè náà mọ̀ lọ agbára Ọlọ́run lágbára tó lọ.